folks. This is something I'm going to do a review of after using it for about maybe about a year, I guess now. And I bought another one because I was fed up the other day with trying to not take this off and mount the camera over here. So I bought another one. And what is it? It is this thing. I sent one also to a certain person on YouTube, and they were pretty impressed. So you know who you are. And what do you call it? I'll show you this again. I'm sure there's 100,000 million things. Oh, in case I forget to, in case you're watching the video, there's one of those in my video now. See? You know what I'm talking about. All right, let's see. This comes in a really good box. Comes in a really nice soft piece of foam, and it's basically doesn't want to come out is what it is. Oh, come on. This thing is notoriously hard to get out. I've had this camera mount for about a year now, and it's all aluminum. It gets big, it gets small. You can lock it right to there. Actually, you can lock it, and then you can adjust it a little bit, tighten on it. I probably should show you with this. You can put your phone in here, which I'll adjust it first. Go like this. And you put the phone in here like so. Who is it made by? I'm sure you're wondering, right? This is a... Yeah, wait a minute. I just screwed this up again. Frick. Let's see. This in like that. And go like this. Put it in there. Actually, wait a minute. Outward. There you go. Outward a little. Put the phone in there. Lock it in there like so. Lock this piece. Then you tighten it. This is a ULANZI ST-14 Ironman 3 foam clip, if you want to look at it. This clip is the bomb. You want to get something to hold your phone, this is the bomb. And if it doesn't stay forward like that, it has this. See, if you want it to stay on here, you take this there's a little piece under here, I'll show you. It comes with this. Come on, get in there. Christ. Under here, right here, you can see it. Right there. See this little piece right there? This thing pops out right here. This piece. And apparently what you do is you stick it in here. Stick that little piece in there. And then what it does, if you could see this, right over here, it acts as a thing so it doesn't kick forward. So you can use it like this and it doesn't fall forward. Stands up. This is knurled aluminum, anodized aluminum. This is aluminum. It's aluminum. This looks like stainless steel. This is anodized aluminum. Everything's aluminum metal. I don't think there's one plastic part on here, because the reason why I got it is because these ones are pieces of shit. This one is a piece of shit. See, this is all plastic. You can just, it only goes this way and this way. It doesn't go that way. This one, see this, if you put it on the stand, it only goes this way and this way. This one, if you put this thing back in its little home right here, this one, let me take this off, phone off, I'll show you. This right here, plug this phone back in before I forget. Before it goes dead. Alrighty. This one basically goes this way, goes this way, it can go 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 around this way, go around this way, it can helicopter that way, it can even go this way. It's like, see? And you can, using the big knob, you can lock it, just adjust it. It's all aluminum. This thing is all one piece of aluminum. Right now, the camera I'm using right now has one of these on it, and oh, honestly, I'm impressed. I like this thing. If I use this and the little quick adapter, I can just snap the phone in. The only thing I recommend people get with that is the little ULANZI makes a little block you screw in here, and you can put one piece in your tripod, one piece, and you just click the thing in. It's easy to snap the phone in. Once you get it set, you just click, put it in there, and boom, done. And I haven't had one problem with it. These plastic things you buy at TJ Maxx and stuff are always breaking. And it only took me a year to figure out what this little tab was. You know, helps when you read the damn instructions on the box. So yeah, just put it in there and it holds it forward. So yeah, my review on this is, get that junk out of the way. My review on this little device is a 5-star review. So if you do want to get a good phone camera tripod mount, buy a ULANZI Ironman 3 ST-14. It is the bomb. Oh, also, subscribe to my channel. I don't do camera equipment reviews all the time, but this one is awesome. Thanks for watching.